This video tutorial I will cover plus and minus methods of local date time which accept long value and temporal unit. Here I have defined the class local date time demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I am calling now method of local date time class which returns current date and time. Then I am calling plus method and passing 5 and temporal unit as months. So 5 months will be added to the current date and time. Here I am calling minus method and passing 5 and temporal unit as years. So 5 years will be reduced from current date and time.